Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have several unboxings for you, but before I get started, I do videos on luxury, fashion, travel, and basically anything that I'm interested in at the moment. So there's a backstory. You know there's always a backstory to all my videos. My daughter was in Hawaii on vacation, and when she went there, she bought. I hate it when people say she picked up because it's not like it's free. She bought some items. Some of it I wanted her to get, and some of it were gifts. All these bags that I have are not only for me, but they are for my mom, my sister, and also for me. So she was very kind enough to pick up some of these, buy some of these things for us, and some of them are gifts from her and my son to us. So let me just get started with unboxing. Again, I have not seen these. I just got them. She just arrived. So first thing I'm gonna unbox is Hermes, and she went to Hermes, and I have been waiting for, this is a receipt, the sales associate's information, and I have been trying to get this item for, I don't know, 6 months. It's a little piece of jewelry. It's very prettily wrapped, really pretty. And my sales associate here had ordered it, but it still hasn't come in, and it's been months. So when she went to Hawaii, I asked her to look for it, and they didn't have it, but they ordered it and they got it in within a couple of days, and I finally got it. Whew. Oh my God. As you know, I've done an unboxing on this silver bracelet, and I wanted an index ring, and it fits perfectly. So this is what it looks like. Oh wow, it looks beautiful. And this true to size, because I wear size 8 on my index finger on my right hand. It fits better. On my left hand, it's a little bit looser. I guess I could even wear it if my fingers are fat on my third finger. But I really like the way, this is white gold with diamond, but I really like the way the silver is so shiny. And I have done a video on a bracelet that I got that's silver that I absolutely love. And this is a matching ring. Oh, so pretty. So that's one, and I was gonna get that for myself, but my son and daughter has gifted me this for my birthday. So this is a late birthday present. This is a gift that from me to me. Again, I went to the Cartier store in my town, and they did not have my size, so they had to order it. They tried to get it from a different store, and they couldn't. It was not available, and then they tried to order it from France, and it was taking weeks and weeks and weeks. So I had asked my daughter to see if they had one available in Hawaii, and they did. So let me show you what they gave me. They gave me a travel pouch. You know, it's a ring. What is this? Cleaning kit. And I'm gonna open it now. Oh my God. Again, I try to get it in my local store, and it was, I think they're just having a hard time with supply. Oh my God. I wanted an index ring because I have so many rings that fits my fourth finger, but nothing that fits my index finger or any other finger. So I have tons of rings, not tons, but I got a few fine jewelry that fits my fourth finger, but oh dear. Does this shut? Yes, it does shut. I know the necklace that I got from my daughter and my son and my future daughter-in-law, this one, the box that it came in was broken, so I took it to Cartier locally, and they said many of those boxes were having problems. So he exchanged it without any question or anything like that, and he said yes. I think they send those out to a different factory to be made, is what he told me. And so some of them have quality issues. So I was able to get it replaced. But this one has no problem shutting, this box. And it is just in clue. Again, I was looking for an index ring. This is what it looks like. Now, it is a little bit loose. I don't know if this should be loose like this or whether if it's tighter, whether it's gonna, I know that like this little nail head, for some people, if it's, I think it fits. What do you think? And they say to turn it a little to the side, otherwise it'll hit like the bone right here. So like that, I think it fits. Well, maybe it's a little loose. I don't know. Again, I tried the size smaller and it seemed a little bit snug. So that's why I ordered this, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Normally I wear a size 8 and this is a size 8 or size 57. This is a size 57. And then she gave me a bunch of lots of these colognes samples and perfume samples, which I will have to give away because I don't wear perfume. My husband cannot stand the smell of perfume. And what is this? She gave me tons of stuff. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's perfume. Smells wonderful, but I just can't. And certificate of authenticity and bill of sale. It is $11.70 plus tax, Hawaii tax, which is cheaper than tax where I live. I returned a size 57 just to include ring and exchange it for size 56, which fit me better, and paid the difference in tax. So I didn't save any money in tax after all. Hermes, and the thing with Hermes ring, this ring, it actually in resale market sometimes sells higher than retail. So because I don't think it's that readily available. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't know, I'm all new to this. It's $380 plus tax. So yes, I am thrilled. It feels like even though they're exactly the same size, because maybe it's because this seems a little bit looser than this. Maybe it's because this is wider. Anyway, so that's what this is gonna look like. Ah, so pretty. All right, the other two are Louis Vuitton pieces, and they're not mine. They're actually my daughter and my son got it for my sister who's having her birthday and my mother who's also having her birthday this month. And this is, they're both very hard to get from what I understand. One of them particularly so. This is an item for my sister that she's been looking for a long time. I have the exact same item, which I love to use, and I love it. It's the most functional, one of the most functional small leather goods I have. And it is very hard to come by. It sells about a couple $100 more in resale market than in retail because it's so hard to come by. And it is the card coin holder. This is a gift for my sister that my son and my daughter got for my sister's birthday, and she's gonna love it. The story with this is that my daughter went to the Louis Vuitton store knowing that her aunt wanted it for a while, and they had just gotten it in that day, and this was the only piece that they had. So she like grabbed it. I told her, this is super hard to get, just grab it if it looks good. And so she did, so she got really, really lucky. And the price of that is, I think it was like $330 plus tax. And the final item, I think this is a little bit easier to get than the card holder, but this is for my mother. My mother got a twilly from my daughter and my son for Christmas, and she wears it all the time. And she wears it with like things that they don't even go with the twilly, but she just feels like extra fancy every time she wears it. And she could be like wearing crappy t-shirts that are like, you know, old and probably needs to be thrown out, but she'll wear this twilly on top of it and it doesn't match, but she feels like $1,000,000 every time she wears it. And she thought that she might really like this because it's very elegant with black and cream, and it is a twilly like this. Isn't this beautiful? I think it's gorgeous. It's so classically Louis Vuitton. I mean, She's gonna love it, and she's gonna wear this all the time. I just know it. So this is for my mother's 80th birthday. She's turning 80. She's gonna love it. She's gonna love the fact that her grandkids have gotten this one. Yeah, you should open it. Don't open it. Just keep the box. There's something in there. Yeah.
Chocolate.
It's chocolate. Hawaiian chocolate.
Macadamia nuts.
아유. I have a red one now.
You have a new one.
예쁘죠?
That's a nicer color.
이게 좋더라.
You like it?
왜냐하면 너무 큰 거는.
She doesn't like big ones,
Yeah.
so she likes the little twillies.
You like it?
I like it.
Classic color. 그거가 항상 있는
Daddy got the bag.
Thank you, Daya.
That's from Hawaii.
하와이에도 봤어?
Sabrina brought back from Hawaii.
Thank you, Daya. Thank you. 색깔이 예뻐서 좋다.
You like the color? Yeah.
Red and
Black. This one's black and white and gold.
아무거나
very
맞아.
striking.
It goes with everything, she said. The fact that my daughter was able to find it and that it's a gift from my son and daughter to my sister and to my mother it makes my heart, it makes me happy that my kids are thinking of their aunt and their grandmother. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this kind of video, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so that you would be notified every time I upload more videos. Thanks guys, stay safe.